Pretty clean cut, look at that. Wow. All right, this is the IMOUM cordless chainsaw. It is a 6-inch brushless battery-powered handheld chainsaw. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is this thing's pretty fun. Came packaged very nicely, everything arrived safe. And what you get with this is the chainsaw itself. It comes in a nice hard plastic case and everything packs away nice and neatly in there. I've got everything out for you to show you. You get two 21 volt 3000 milliamp batteries and a 1.5 amp quick charger. I love that there are two batteries, and one of the cool things about this too is that you can press the button on here and there's a little indicator that lets you know where your battery strength is at. You get some safety glasses. It actually comes with a chain on it, and you get an extra chain with it. You get a sharpener, you get a little brush to brush the wood chips away. You get some lubricant, because unique to this one is it actually comes with a reservoir tank in here to put lubricant in. So as far as the lubricating goes, it's pretty awesome. You just press the button once on it, give a little blast, and it lubricates the chain for you. And that's really important for keeping everything sharp. They've actually given us an extra cap for the top too, in case that gets lost, and there's a cap for the bottle here, and applicators. Obviously, you get a set of instructions with it in several different languages. So super easy, you just slide the battery in place, and we've got a double lock on here. So this is left-handed and right-handed. You can unlock it to the left, or you can unlock it to the right, and the center is the lock position. So if you're right-handed, easy enough. If you're left-handed, easy enough. Left-handed, right-handed. I like that everything butts right up against there. Very nice. There is a cover on here too. If the chain slides off the rack, you could just lift this up, unscrew this, loosen it up, make sure everything's tight, tighten it back down again, and lock it into place. Also, if you need to actually replace the chain at some point or get into here for any reason, this actually just unscrews. You just unthread it, pull the cover up here, and simple as that, easy to get in here. What's cool is you can actually set this thing right up against here, and it rides along with it. A little bit easier to handle rather than not having this cover on here, so it's not jerking around on you. I like that a lot. And it's just nice to have the cover on here in the first place. The only safety device you have on the top here is this chain cover, and obviously you're going to want to be careful right there. So this has 3.0 brushless motors on here with up to 700 watts of output and a motor speed of up to 32,000 RPM for clean cuts, quick starts, less jamming, all that stuff. You got to love that. So it's a great, lightweight, versatile, compact mini chainsaw. It's great for lefties, it's great for righties. It's easy to handle, lightweight. It's perfect for tree trimming or tree pruning, smaller stuff, obviously, because it's a 6-inch blade on here. Works on softwoods, hardwoods, bushes, that kind of stuff. It's super sharp, super convenient. I love that it has the oil reservoir on here, and it stores away real nice in that case they gave us, so love it.